Well, here's a 5:30 update today. It has been snowing since about 10 this morning. Looking back at the garage, you can kind of get a sense of this is what it's been doing all day long. All right, the cat has been out for hours, and I tracked him. He's out there catching mice. He's flushing mice out of their little hidey holes and didn't want to come out. I'm gonna see if I can. Jeez. Oh, man. All right. River, come on. Come on, River. It's getting dark. It is so cold. River, come on. Come on, buddy. It's time to come in. Temperature is going to start really dropping. Look at here, this cat's. He's come out of here. Look at here. This track was here earlier. He's gonna come out now and took all that away. Where'd he go? He's gone way out here in the woods. River, come on. Come on, River. Come on. All right, he came here, made a U-turn, back up in the woods. Come on, River. Come on. It is time to come in. Come on. River. Come on, River. Where are you? Come on. It is going to get cold. River. There's no... paw prints where he came back. River, come on. Should have grabbed him earlier and made him come in. River, come on. My goodness. River, come on, River. Come on, River. Let's go in. Come on. You're not in here, are you? There you are. What are you getting? Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what you're doing. You got you a mouse. Look at there. Look at that mouse. That's what he's doing out here. You see him? Look at him. Look at him. There he is. Good for you, River. You are doing such a good job. Telling you. Tell you what, let's give the little mouse a reprieve, okay? You've had your fun. You're doing your work. You've done a good job. Tell you what. You are one cold-blooded killer. All right, we're gonna get you inside for the night. Get out of this blizzard. Believe me, that's what this is. It's a blizzard. My goodness. Blizzard 21. I know. You don't like to be carried. Yep. Nice blizzard we got here. You're all covered in snow. Let's get you inside. Jeez. There you go. You've been doing a hard day's work, haven't you? All right. We're going to call it a day. I'll get you something to eat. Let's see what Coach is doing. There you are. You nice and snug. Well, Pussycat's been out ridding the world of the rodent population. Your eye is getting worse and worse. I gotta get you. Let me see your eye. Poor thing, your eyes that you looked at, your eyes getting worse.